Hello, we're Phenom Design, and this is the Mesa County Public Works project for CM 433. First, let's get started by introducing ourselves. Meet the Phenom Design team. I'm Sean Lahijani, the architect.
I'm Lynn Fearnside, I'm a superintendent.
I'm Kevin New, I'm a construction manager.
I'm Emma Nunnenkamp, the other construction manager.
I'm Russell Parsons, Chief Estimator.
So let's go over the project. The project overview. The location of the project is in Mesa County, Colorado. The client is Mesa County. The budget is about $5.6 million. And the purpose of this building is it's a public works administration department and also an animal shelter. It contains many workstations for the employees to meet, storage spaces, meeting rooms, supervisor's office, and the like. Here's a site map and some of the site characteristics. Being that it's in Colorado, there are some climate and environmental issues we have to be aware of, which also helped shape the form of the design. So with that being said, we had to take into consideration the cold winter climates, the harsh summer sun, and the cold winds. Here's the design. The building is made primarily out of concrete, which is used for thermal gain in order to help keep the indoor climate relatively mild and nice in comparison to the outside. As you can see on the left, these are two exterior perspectives of the building, and on the right, it's an interior perspective of the large working bay area. Here is a shot of the supervisor's office looking out over the horizon. And with that being said, this building also utilizes many sustainable design techniques, and in order to reduce the total energy intake and the total carbon output, such tactics include proper orientation, thermal mass, direct thermal gain, and daylighting. Here are the layouts of the first and second floor. On the first floor, you can see on the left wing, we have the two large storage areas and also some of the vehicle storages and two bathrooms. And then on the upper wing, you can see the large working area. And then on the second floor, on the left wing, we have the supervisor's office and the meeting room. And then in the main area, we have the various workstations. And then, as you can see on both plans, the two squares represent the elevators. So here's the design. We have some elevations from the left, and then we also have a roof plan.
So here's the estimate for the main public works building. The building's around 22,000 square feet. It's primarily made out of concrete. The roofing is made out of corrugated metal, and we're using wood floors inside. The building's going to be two stories tall, and each floor is going to be about 12 feet high. And our total estimate came out to be about $3,300,000 for this particular building.
The second part of the project is a two-building animal control facility. Each building is 8,000 square feet, one story, mostly made out of concrete with metal roofing. Each building came out to around $1.1 million, so the total for both of them is $2.2 million.
To go into more detail for our estimate, the concrete work includes formwork, reinforcement, accessories, cast-in-place concrete, curing, cementitious decks and toppings, and grout. For building one, the cost was $59,000, and for the big building, it was $166,000 for concrete. Our metal work includes materials, fasteners, structuring, framing, joists, decking, cold formed framing, and fabrications. For the small building, metal cost was $129,000, and for the large office building, $362,000. Our electrical work includes basic electrical materials and methods, medium voltage distribution, service and distribution, lighting, and electrical resistance heatings, which was $111,000 and $310,000. Finally, Additional costs for our building was site work, which included demolition, site preparation, earthwork, paving and surfacing, utility piping and materials, and water distribution. Our estimates came out under budget, and our schedule looks on time.
Now let's take a look at the schedule. We're looking at about a 9 to 10 month schedule if we're able to get started at the end of this month with design development. Looking to start construction at the end of next month, maybe around the 24th. Looking to start the construction on the actual public works facilities on the 30th of August, and we'll go from there into foundation work and all the way up until substantial completion. We're also looking at having the option of the animal shelter building as well, starting about a month into the construction of the public works building. One big key thing to look at as far as scheduling, since this is a mainly concrete building, we are looking to schedule one crew going back and forth between the two sites during curing time. So that's going to be one issue we'll be looking at. Other than that, just for a schedule summary, like I said, design development beginning at the end of this month, construction on the public works beginning 24th of August, and then you can see there looking to have the foundation complete on early in October, and then looking to have the interior and the finishes complete in early next April, and then substantial completion on that building right after that. And then for the animal control facility, looking to begin construction there at the 30th of August, and but we won't be looking to have the foundation complete because of those concrete crews until early in December. And then substantial completion on that building in late March of next year. Then just some assumptions that we took into account while forming this proposal. All conceptual estimates are based off the current market prices and previous experience, and unforeseen conditions or subsurface conditions have not been taken into account for the design, estimate, and schedule proposals.
Our bonding and insurance includes our performance and bidding bond. This goes through and shows our completion instructions by Mesa County and everything we have to do for this building in Grand Junction. Our modifications and additions include the durations and once our bid bond is submitted, we must strictly follow the schedule and all design requirements. This bond was insured by Apple Tree Bonding Company for Phenom Design, and we include our contact information there between both parties, set the 17th day of July 2010.